Okay, good morning guys. This is the first video on this channel. What we are going to do actually is explain and repair some of the common issues for trucks. That means Cascadia from Freightliner, that means Volvo, International. So right now I'm working on a 2016 Freightliner Cascadia. It had a problem. It came to us on towing. Didn't start. It just shut off in a gas station. After a few issues found on the harnesses, we actually got to the point where we find the CPC was damaged. This is the old CPC for the truck. We didn't find the new one. We went to Freightliner dealership, and unfortunately it told us almost 8 days to bring it. So we were in a little bit of rush, so we had to take one from scrap. Okay, the main issue is when the CPC is not working, you have no power feed to the ACM and to the ECM of the engine. This is a DD15 engine. So when you try to crank it, only the relay goes on, but nothing happens. By this point, we solved 90% of the issue. We still have a problem now with the CPC, because this CPC was coded on a truck with the automatic transmission. We have a Eaton Fueler. It's a 10-speed transmission. It's a manual. So right now it's saying that we have an ABS problem. That's from history. We had it before. We have a problem with the TCM system ID is not received or stopped arriving. That refers to the automatic transmission that is not present on this truck. Okay, and we have another problem with the output shaft speed signal that is missing or not available. That all these codes refer to the automatic transmission, and it's still not letting us start. But we'll do some coding, and I'll be back to you with the final result and the final solution, guys.